Hi everyone. Welcome to Becoming Better. This is the 30-day English Speaking Shadow Practice Challenge, and today is day 1. Over the next 30 days, we will practice simple and practical English sentences to help you speak confidently, improve pronunciation, and think in English naturally. Every day, you will shadow 50 sentences, repeat them aloud, and gradually build your fluency and confidence. So, if you are ready to start speaking English confidently, get comfortable, take a deep breath, and let's begin day 1, Greetings and Self-Introduction. Day 1, Greetings and Self-Introduction, 50 sentences. A. Basic greetings, 1 to 15. Hi. How are you today? Hello. It's nice to meet you. Good morning. How was your night? Good afternoon. How is your day going? Good evening. How are you feeling today? Nice to meet you. My name is, your name. How have you been lately? I hope you are having a great day. Hello. I am happy to see you. Hi there. How is everything? It's a pleasure to meet you. How is your morning so far? How is your afternoon going? How is your evening going? I'm glad we can talk today. B. Self-Introduction, Part 1, 16 to 35. My name is, your name. I am from, your city. I am learning English. I want to improve my English speaking skills. I enjoy reading books. I like watching videos to learn. I love learning new things every day. My favorite hobby is, your hobby. I am a positive person. I am a confident person. I enjoy meeting new people. I like making new friends. I practice English every day. I want to speak English fluently. I enjoy communicating in English. I feel confident when I speak slowly. I like using complete sentences. I am learning new words every day. I feel motivated to practice English. I am happy to introduce myself. See Self-Introduction, Part 2/Small Talk, 36 to 50. I enjoy talking about my hobbies. I like sharing my experiences. I am curious to learn new things. I enjoy reading articles in English. I like watching tutorials to improve. I try to think in English while speaking. I practice pronunciation every day. I like repeating sentences aloud. I feel proud when I speak English clearly. I enjoy learning grammar naturally. I try to speak confidently with others. I want to express my thoughts clearly. I feel motivated to continue practicing daily. I enjoy speaking English in real-life situations. Every day I practice, I become a little better.